Welcome to Mbody 3 webinar. My name is Pekka Tolvanen. I'm the product manager of Mbody 3 product family at Myontech. So let's start. At first, I'm gonna give the agenda for today's webinar. So I'm going to explain what Mbody 3 in general is. That's the third generation of the Myontech product family. Then we go through the key benefits, how comfortable and versatile the new product is, and then also compare that to the existing Mbody Smart product versions. Also, we are going to go through the content of the product as such, what's in it, and then some examples about the new user interface, how it can be used, then also the availability and pricing, and finally the questions and answers section if there's any comments from the audience. So Mbody 3 in general. As mentioned, the Mbody 3 is our third generation product. It's based on more than 10 years development and customer feedback. The technology as such, it's state-of-the-art level regarding the EMG signal acquisition and processing. And in Mbody 3, we have even made it broader and more accurate to measure and analyze the biosignals. And with the Mbody 3, we open up the roadmap for the future product portfolio. So there will be much more new product versions in the future. The Mbody 3 is designed for specific requirements in sports at extreme conditions. That means that the product as such, it's now much lighter, smaller, and therefore more ergonomic and easier to use for the athletes and the coaches. It's very comfortable to wear, and it's protected against impacts from the surroundings, and the athlete and the user, they can make all the movements they usually do during the exercises. And the new user interface makes it even more easier to cope with the apps and the analysis software. And one key example is that the data transmission is now improved so that in best conditions, the range for transmission is up to 50 meters using the Bluetooth transmission. And the Mbody 3 is now a true smart clothing. It's not just a cloth with a module, it also contains electronics inside the cloth part. And one of the special new features is that we have an inertial measurement unit sensor that detects and delivers the movements in 3D. Also, the M-cell, the module, is now universal type, so it can be used with any future Mbody cloth models. So only one Mbody M-cell module is needed for different kinds of future clothes. And also the data integration with the existing Bluetooth sensors around and any future devices used by the user or the coaches. You can connect the data from several sources together with the M-cell data. And the Mbody 3 module is now compatible with the Mbody Live 3 mobile app, which is available for the iOS, Apple operating systems at the moment. Also, it's compatible with our Muscle Monitor Windows software. And then we provide the API for data integration for external analysis softwares. The key benefits of Mbody 3. It's very ergonomic and comfortable to wear. It's very lean in design. And it enables flexible movements and it's protected against external impacts. The module, the M cell, can be very easily and quickly attached and removed using only one hand if that's needed. And also the user interface, it has the three-color LED visual info. It also contains a vibration and a sound feedback mode. There are also new features like the inertial measurement unit sensor. In detail, that means that we have a 3D accelerometry sensor, gyroscope, and magnetometry. So altogether, 9 different signals. And one M cell fits in the future to all our new Mbody clothes. That means up to 16 channels, which we will develop in the future. And also compared to the existing M cell Smart, this M cell 3 contains new intelligent charging features. And the compatibility with the muscle monitor, for example, it's now even more easier to use when downloading data from the M cell to muscle monitor. And the open API means that we offer free of charge 1 Hz data to any one who will use the EMG and other signals from the device. And for specific use, we can also provide the 25 Hz data under special license agreement. It's negotiable with the customers. And then for the future, again, the M cell can collect data from the external sensors like heart rate, belts, GPS devices, and for example, from cycling power meters. What Mbody 3 consists of? There's a new M cell 3 module, which is very small and lightweight. The data transmission range is now up to 50 meters. That means 25 Hz data, and also depending on the environment. But in the best experiments that we have made, even during the track and field recordings, you can record the EMG from the athlete running around the track and field race. Then the module contains integrated inertial sensor. The memory capacity is now 30 hours, and it's supported also by the battery life with the same 30 hours. The intelligent charging features help you to keep the module charged fully all the time. And the rechargeable battery can be now charged with standard USB cables. We provide one cable with the product package too. The MSORTS 3 version is now more comfortable to wear. It's more stretchable and more flexible compared to the previous version. It measures quads and hams and glutes signals, and the size variation begins from S to XXL, unisex model. The XXL model is now new in our collection. The accessories, we have the USB cable for charging and data transfer. And also what's now added is the 2 weeks trial license for muscle monitor, including the Bluetooth dongle. Then there's a quick guide and the spray bottle and washing bag as in the previous version. And then we can offer also as options string kind of underwear shorts, both for men and female. That's very important for the teams where there are only few Mbody 3 kids, but several test persons to be measured. So the intimacy can be protected by the strings. Along with the Mbody 3 shorts and module development, we have also developed the muscle monitor software, which will be released the end of May. And a couple of new features as mentioned are the new reference level for each EMG channel. Then there is a comparison feature for several exercises so that you can make comparisons between different data. Then the accelerometric signals can be now downloaded and synchronized with the EMG to the muscle monitor. And also we can now provide the 1000 Hz raw EMC data. That's only for the customized MCell 3 versions, but it's now coming available. Also, the Mbody Live 3 mobile app has been improved. The reliability against data interruptions and data loss in some special cases. And also the online quick guide via the Mbody Live 3 help button is now available. Regarding the basic use of Mbody 3. Now the Mbody 3 MCell is very easily attachable to the short. So you just attach the MCell and click it on the shorts. So, and then it's automatically ready to receive start signals from Mbody Live 3 mobile app or muscle monitor. So when you start the app, you can see the MCell start blinking rapidly 2 times per second interval. That means that now it's recording and sending the data to the mobile app or muscle monitor. So there is a LED which shows the recording mode. And then you can stop the measurement with the mobile app or muscle monitor, and then the mode returns to the slow 3 seconds interval mode. And when there's a need to remove the MCell, there's a quick release button on the left side of the module, and then you can remove the module from the shorts. Charging is now made using ordinary USB cable from any USB port. And the LED is red until the battery is full, and then when it's fully charged, it will close. And also when the battery is running out, there will be red light signals showing that you need to start recharging. Also, you can use the Mbody 3 MCell offline. There's a button which, when you press and hold the button about 3 seconds, then the module, the LED of the module will start blinking green rapidly 2 times per second. And you can stop the offline recording in the reverse order, just pressing and holding and continuously 3 seconds, and then it returns to the normal idle mode. Also, what is now new is that when you are measuring online with mobile app or muscle monitor, you can make a backup data recording to the internal memory. So in the same order, you start the recording to the memory, and then you can still have the online measurement on. And this mode is now shown using the LED blinking green and blue in the rapid order. And then you stop the memory recording in the same manner, pressing and holding the button for 3 seconds. Then how to download data from the M-cell memory to muscle monitor. In the normal way, you open the muscle monitor, you choose the trainee under which you want to download the data, and then you connect the M-cell tree using the USB cable to the computer. Then in the muscle monitor menu, you choose the data button and you start the sync M-cell function. Then it opens the memory content list, and then you choose the data file you want to download and start transfer with the transfer file to button. The availability of Mbody 3 and pricing. We have already started the deliveries and it's available globally. The pricing structure is following. We have the basic Mbody 3 kit. The price is 939 euros, now including the 2 weeks trial license for muscle monitor. Then we have the normal packages, like the basic package, which contains 2 M cells and 2 M shorts and muscle monitor perpetual license. The price is 3,499 euros. The advanced package is like a double, contains 4 M cells and 8 M shorts, plus the muscle monitor license. The price is 6,300 euros. And then we have a team package containing 12 M cells and M shorts with the license. The price is 11,800 euros. All prices VAT 0%. Also, we have the existing Mbody Smart products in our inventory. We have a clearance campaign for that product, so the Mbody 3 All-Sport 6-channel kit is now available only 650 euros. And also we can provide you with tailored products and special pricing. Please get more info from our sales or our web page. Now, if there are any questions, I'm ready to answer them.
No, there are no questions. Thank you very much, Pekka.
Okay, thank you, and please enjoy the Mbody 3 product during your training exercises and your coaching in the future. Thank you.